Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're back. If you're not familiar with me, my name is JD Savage. I'm a high six-figure affiliate marketer, and what I do here on YouTube, I have a channel called Imperfect Millionaires. It's also my business, and I pick specific platforms that I work with in the affiliate marketing arena, and I prove to make money with them. I check out the people behind the platforms. I make sure that I believe that they're going to be around for a long time, that they've got a long life, and they're not just going to be a flash in the pan. And once I've made money with them, a substantial amount of money, then I'll bring them to my channel and I present them to other people. And what I do is I build out a specific series on that entire platform from A to Z, what I do to make money with that platform. Okay, so that's who I am, and that's what I do in a nutshell. But what we're here to talk about today is a platform called Multiple Income Funnel. Maybe you've heard of it. And specifically what we're going to be talking about is the training, because I get a lot of questions about that. Like, how great is the training? What is, is it worthwhile? Do they do a good job? So let's check it out. So what Multiple Income Funnel is, if you're not familiar with it, is here. Okay, so there's actually four, just like it sounds, there's four income streams in one business. Okay, so I will say this about the business. In full disclosure, I am an affiliate with Multiple Income Funnel. And the reason I'm doing this review is I do get a lot of questions about it, right? Like, because I'm also with HBA, which also, by the way, is now in Multiple Income Funnel, which I'm extremely excited about because I love HBA. So what is the training? And people say, well, a lot of times you get into something and the training is just not adequate and it's just not good enough. I'll be honest, it's really good. And it's good, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. It's really excellent. You don't have to worry too much, because back over here on my channel, I'm building out an entire series on everything that you can do, not that you have to do, but that you can do if you want to expedite your results as an affiliate marketer, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing and you've never done it before. I would say that, it's a really great place to start. So let's take a look up here. So training. So you've got, it goes through here, the 7 different steps to be successful. How many videos are there? Yeah, there's 7. And honestly, they're really good. I mean, they're really good. They're dead on the money. I wouldn't say I disagreed with any of them. It's not like maybe they could have gone further into it, right? But what these are geared towards somebody that's new, and they don't really want to overwhelm you and give you too much to think about, because there's a lot of things you can do, right? There's free traffic sources, and there's a lot of them. And then there's paid traffic sources, and there's a lot of them. So they didn't go super in depth, as far as the training is, but I say that it's good and worth watching. Absolutely. If you're interested in learning how to be an affiliate marketer, and you're interested in a platform that brings value to people, and it's not just something that you're offering with the assumption that you'll make a few bucks and the people that you're bringing on board will never gain from it, that's not the platform, right? There's lots of things like that out there, right? There's lots of get rich quick schemes and all that kind of stuff. The thing I really appreciate about Multiple Income Funnel, that's not them at all, right? And they also brought in HBA, and that's not HBA at all. So if you're not familiar with any of these platforms, there will be links in the description of this video, and you can take a look at Multiple Income Funnel for yourself and you make the decision. But I will tell you, as far as platforms go, they're solid, right? And Mac does an excellent job of explaining everything. So let's go back here. Let's see, marketing system success training. Okay, so this also is it's excellent, right? It's excellent. Everything that he walks you through here. Let me move my little camera here. You can't see it, but it's in my way. Identifying and harnessing your why. So it walks you through, all the way down to how to deal with negative people. It's because you're going to, right? So let me share that with you. If affiliate marketing is something you're considering and you're not familiar with, it's just part of what happens, right? You're on the internet, everybody's got an opinion, and some people just feel the need to share an opinion that really doesn't have any bearing on what you're doing, but it's going to happen, right? And they teach you methods to deal with all of these things, how to be consistent, all of the things that you need to do really to be successful, right? So like I said, could they go more in depth? Probably, but should they? I don't think so, based on what they're doing here, because this is all geared towards people that are new to affiliate marketing. A lot of things they talk about, people that are seasoned in affiliate marketing, it's a good reminder, but we're going to know that already. And then the weekly Multiple Income Funnel training calls, definitely worth jumping on. A lot of very knowledgeable people on there, very happy to answer questions. There is no stupid question, right? So just bring it out, you'll get your questions answered, and you will be helped. That's one thing that I can say that I've seen on these calls. So I guess what I would say is, and as a synopsis to this is, could they go more in depth? Yeah, sure. But I don't think they should. I think the training, because I've heard people say, well, they could have taught me this, they could have taught me that. Honestly, guys, if you want to know that stuff, come back over here, jump into this training. There'll be a link below this video. You can take a look at Multiple Income Funnel yourself. You'll find out all about HBA. You'll find out what the 4 income sources are. That's not really what this video is about. Basically, I've just been asked a lot of times, so now I can just answer that question with a video that, well, or do they care? Do they help? Do they take the time to help you? Do you just come in and buy something? Because if you're not familiar with Multiple Income Funnel, there's 4 different sources of income, but it's kind of a pay to play thing, right? So if you come in at the first level, which is like $49, right? $49 a month. Then that's what you're qualified for, right? When somebody else, like you say, you're watching this video and you were to go buy something. Well, guess what? That $49 a month, a portion of that goes to me, which is what an affiliate marketer is, right? But then They help you, I help you. That's why I build this YouTube channel. But then there's a $2,500 buy-in, or it starts a lot lower than that, but I bought in at $2,500. And like I said, pay to play, because anybody else that comes in after me and buys a $2,500, guess what? I qualify for a $2,000 commission, and I've made several of those. That's a really nice thing to have happen, right? And I'm not going to go into low ticket versus high ticket, but I will say this much about it. The thing I like about Multiple Income Funnel and their training and the people involved is A, they're very willing to help. They're definitely not, they don't hold back, right? And in the Facebook page is the same way. Everybody's very helpful, right? The whole community. And they have from low ticket to high ticket, right? So it's all of it. And you don't have to upgrade it until you're ready, right? So I get that question. Well, should I even bother if I can't just buy the whole thing, right? Because they have E1U Life, which is Income Funnel 2, and then there's HBA, and then there's Traffic Authority, right? And all of those things work beautifully together. They've done an excellent job of combining them, and they do an excellent job of training you to use them. And that's what this video is about, is training more so than what the whole program is. Okay. So I'll drop a link in the description, but yes, they have my vote. As far as the training goes, I think it's awesome. I think it's geared perfectly towards who they're talking to, right? Now, if you want additional training, as I said, I'm building out an entire series here on my YouTube, and that's going to show you all of the stuff from the TikToks to the multiple YouTube channels to all that stuff. So if that sounds like a foreign language to you, don't worry about it. Just jump in, take a look at it if you're interested. My phone number is also, by the way, below all of my videos, and it'll be below this video. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to shoot me a text. I'm happy to communicate with people, okay? That's why I'm here. I want to help, and I want to show you how to actually make money in affiliate marketing, right? And why do I say actually make money? Because very few affiliate marketers actually make money, right? And it's not because they can't make money. It's because they're sold false promises coming into affiliate marketing that they're going to get rich overnight and all this stuff. That's all garbage. That's not true. So if you want to know, and you're interested in building a long-term income, and maybe you want out of your job, you just want to create more money for your retirement, you're interested in spending more time with your family and less time on the road, whatever your reason is, I can help you, but I can't make you rich overnight, okay? So if you like this kind of content, give me a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and tick the bell icon so that you're notified when a new video comes out, all right? Especially if you're going to follow along one of the series, it's really important so that you're notified when a new video comes out. And as I said, my phone number is right there, guys. Don't hesitate. Shoot me a text. I'm happy to get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate everybody that subscribes to my channel. It's growing beautifully. I couldn't be happier. Thank you.